Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook pixel in 2025. First of all, go to admanager.com, admanagerfacebook.com. Then from the left side bar, click Event Managers tab. Now find the pixel or select the pixel you want to delete from here. But you can't fully delete a pixel, but you can disconnect it. Go to settings to connected assets from business meta suites or business assets tab and remove the website or using it or app using it. Go to the website platform like Shopify, WordPress, and remove the pixel code manually or disconnect from integrations. Your pixel is now inactive and won't track anything. Thanks for watching.